Zoho Recruit definitely makes your slow hires fast, but its integration with KrispCall makes your hiring process even faster. The tab hopping required to use your phone simply drops to none. Contacts stay synced across both platforms. Call and SMS logs auto-update inside Zoho Recruit, and recruiters can instantly use the KrispCall dialer from the hiring platform, sending SMS and making calls within Zoho Recruit. Let's see how you can set it up step by step. First, sign up and log into your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, then to Integrations, and click on Marketplace. Search for Zoho Recruit. Click on it and add it to KrispCall. The page will redirect you to allow access from your Zoho account. Accept it, and the integration is instantly successful. Once connected, easily customize its settings based on your needs. Enable and disable data sync preferences for contacts and notes. Configure sync options for specific call and SMS activities. Add one or multiple numbers to be used in Zoho Recruit for calls and SMS. After that, start by creating contacts in KrispCall one by one, or upload them in bulk using a CSV. Next, go to Zoho Recruit and check. The contacts are already listed in Zoho Recruit, and any contacts you create or update here stay in perfect sync with KrispCall. Now, prepare to reach out to your candidates without leaving Zoho Recruit. But first, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser to make calls and send SMS. Then, from the business card and contacts, click on the KrispCall icon beside phone numbers and choose the call option. As the dialer opens, dial to talk to the talent without hopping elsewhere. During calls, directly add notes from the dialer itself. And after the call, log everything from notes to call recording and details below the business card of each contact. Reaching out to the candidates with SMS is just as easy. After clicking on the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option. And as the dialer opens, type your message and send it, all inside Zoho Recruit. You don't have to worry about missed calls either. The voicemails sync as links that you can access directly from your hiring platform. Listen to them and make informed decisions on time. With KrispCall fully integrated into Zoho Recruit, your recruiting workflow becomes smoother, faster, and more organized. Every call, SMS, and note stays where you need it, letting you focus on engaging the right talent and making better hiring decisions without switching tools or losing track. Visit KrispCall.com to connect Zoho Recruit today.